screw locking risers on the market are high in price. Manual adjustment with tools is inconvenient. Dahon retained the form and function in a special design. The quick-release two-dimensional D2D Stem features an S-shaped ring design. Custom quick-release mechanism. Open and adjust without tools. Adjust writing grip, handlebar angle, and height. Quickly adjusts to comfortable writing parameters. Easy to use. Integrated handle design unlocks both points in a single action. Mature profile molding technology. Cost-effective with wide market appeal.